Hi everyone, welcome to Canada Driving Experts. My name is Basir. Today I want to take you to route number 2, G2 test at Oakville City. So I park my car in reverse when the examiner is asking me take left, shift the gear to drive, put the signal. Now it is time to check 360 degree. From right, I'm checking all the way, rear view mirror, side, keep up a little bit, slowly go, and then turn the steering wheel. If a car is moving, other people are walking, just try to make sure don't rush. So here I'm going left, check the mirror, put the signal. I don't need to stop, but in case there is a car, I must stop. From here we are going to left, and again he is asking you to go to the right. Check the mirror, put the signal. You don't need to stop. In case cars are coming, you need to stop. There is no car coming from the left side, I can go to the right. Whenever you are turning to the right, just make sure it should not be too wide. So a speed limit here is 50. Try to go 48, 49, and 50. So tracks are here is business area. Most of the time tracks are moving. Any streets is coming, any driveway is coming, just try to look left and right. If you check every 5 seconds your speed, most people they fail due to speed. So if you go constantly 55, they're gonna fail you. If suddenly happen 51, 52, 53, and you control it back, so they are human, they will not fail you. If this happen constantly, then definitely they're gonna fail you. So an intersection is coming, check left and right. It's green, but I still need to check left and right. From the traffic light, they will ask you to make a right turn. So any street is coming, try to take a look on that. So I need to check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. My light is red. I need to come to the complete stop. In case it changed to green, I can go, otherwise I cannot. So stop here, check left, right. So now I can go to the right. So once you come in third lane, just pick up the speed limit and stay on the right side. Speed is 60. An intersection is coming, check left, right. If the light changed to amber, you need to stop, otherwise you don't need. Here the speed is also changing and the line is also ending. The examiner will not ask you this from you. Check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. A car is in my blind, he let me to go. So try to look left, right, an intersection is coming. So my light is red. Whenever you apply the brake, you need to check the rear view mirror. So here they're gonna take you to any of these streets, left and right. Just be prepared. This is not the exact route, but in case they are taking your left and right, this is just for the route number 2. This is just an example. Sometimes they are taking this street, sometimes they are taking to the other street. Check left, right, and from next intersection we are going left. So be prepared. He gonna ask you if he take you through this way. Check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. Remember, from the broken line you can go. From here there is a broken line. You can smoothly go to the left, wide broken lane. So come here, your light is green. Come here and stop here. Just don't rush it. If other cars are coming, wait for them. While stopping, just make sure in this kind of situation, suddenly sometimes the light is changing to amber and red. So at that time you need to go. So check the pedestrian walkway and go. From here, they're gonna take you from any of these streets. So just make sure any of these streets they are taking you, you can go on that. So car is made emergency stop. I need to have 1 meter distance. The speed limit is 40. Any intersection is coming, any driveway is coming, try to check left, right. So any of this street they can take you. I'm going randomly on the other one. So if they are asking you here downhill parking, this is no stopping zone. They are not asking. In the other streets, these streets doesn't have a curb. So remember, if he is asking downhill parking or uphill parking, all the way turn the steering wheel to the right. Here I'm going left, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. This is Shireen Drive, check left, right. This is all way. And come half of the way and turn the steering wheel. Here I am doing downhill parking or uphill parking. Remember, up, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, come close by. Even if this is uphill parking, I am turning the steering wheel to the right. One complete is and shift the gear to park. Remember, when it is curb and uphill parking, we are turning the steering wheel to the left. But when there is no curb, all the time uphill, downhill, it is the right. So when he says when it is safe, proceed, shift the gear to drive, turn the steering wheel, put the signal left, and check all around and move. If he's asking you roadside stop, you need to check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and come completely close by road. Push the hazard light, shift the gear to park, and tell them that my car doesn't have handbrake. So he know that you know what are you doing. When he says when it's safe, proceed, shift the gear to drive, turn off the hazard light, shift signal left, check left, right, and smoothly move. From next intersection or from next stop sign, we are going to the left. And the street is coming, check left and right. So here we are going left, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the complete stop, check left, right, and go. Some people, they say 3 seconds. You don't need to count 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Check left, right, center. That is it. It is 3 seconds. If you wait too long, then more than 3 seconds, that your point gonna be also you will lose points. Any street is coming, check left, right. I'm not doing parallel parking. On the other video I did parallel parking. So if they are asking you to 3-point turn, you can do 3-point turn. I'm also not doing 3-point turn here. We are going back. So definitely they are doing that. If you don't know, just leave me comment. I will check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the complete stop. My light is red, so I need to wait here. So parallel parking and also 3-point turn I did in road number 1. So you guys, if you need to know how to do that, I'm sure your instructor taught you all these maneuvers. So there is no car I can go to the right. Speed is 50, try to go 48, 49, 50, and Make sure every 5 seconds you need to check the rear view mirror and also your speed. So now this route divided to two, so I must be on the right side. So I came on the right. If you suddenly go on the left, just make sure and make a signal and check the mirror, everything, and come back to the right. Stopping position, whenever you stop, just you must have enough gap, not too far, not too close. Just whenever you see a little bit fault and the tires of front car, so that's fine. And check left, right, rear view mirror while you stop in a traffic light. After this traffic light, I'm going to make a lane change because we are going left. So I need to make lane change. So check the mirror. Here is downhill. Be careful. Your speed should not exceed from 60. Check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. The car is on my blind spot. He slowed down. Now I can go. So he will ask you traffic light, left turn. You need to check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. From this broken line, come to the left. So my light is green. I can go a little bit further. The car is so far. I can go to the left, check the pedestrian walkway while turning left. So I cannot go to the right because that line is ending. Speed is 50 here. An intersection coming, any entrances coming, just try to look on that. The light is red, so I need to apply the brake. While applying the brake, okay, it changed back to green. I don't need to slow down anymore. So remember, while you apply the brake, you need to check the rear view mirror, because if other cars are behind you, so you need to check on that. So we are going back to the test center. Just prepare and get ready. Most of the time they are taking you to road number 1. Rarely they are taking to road number 2, but you must be prepared on this. So an intersection is coming, check left, right. So we are going back to the test center. So once you get closer, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and come at the middle of the road, the middle of your side, and turn. He gonna ask you right or left. I'm going this time left. Check the mirror, put the signal, blind spot. I'm going to the left, so I need to wait because they are going right. He said come, so I'm going. Remember, if someone is asking you go, so you need to go, because the examiner he's watching you. Don't say no, you go. So I'm going to do front parking, check the mirror, put the signal, blind spot, front parking here. Yes, once your 4-wheel is inside, so you need to shift the gear to park. Thank you so much. If you need any help, please give me a call. My number is 647-807-9035.